Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So we've just received the first firmware update for Galaxy Watch 6 Classic since it's released in August. The update doesn't bring a huge amount of changes, but it does say it's bringing stability and reliability improvements. It's not a very big update either, it's only 171 megabyte. So we are now going to install this update on our Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and in few days time we'll do a follow-up update with regards to the changes and improvements we can see on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. By the way, I'm in the UK. Comment down below and let me know if you've received this update in your region. Well, after installation, we didn't see much of a difference other than that it's not so laggy anymore. I noticed the security patch is still from June, but I would have expected it at least to be September's security patch.
So we're just going to look at the new apps that have just now become available on the Play Store. These are very sought after apps. So you've got Audible, Gmail, you've got WhatsApp there, amongst other things. I mean, I've already got WhatsApp. So I'll quickly just look into Gmail and show you how that looks. So we'll download that and we'll just see how that looks on the watch. Very useful to have this now. So with Gmail, as you can see now, the app is almost like the desktop version. You got all the same options, like see all the sent items. You can actually view any deleted items, anything you favoritized, outbox. Yeah, it's definitely worth a download. It's really good that the platform itself is just getting better and better, and all the top quality apps are now beginning to come through. So we've got this one, we've got WhatsApp, which we've done videos about before. The thing about this app as well is very good because on the watch now you can view the email and it looks cleaner than it does when you get a notification, and you can respond to it directly. You can archive the message, delete it, and as I said before, you can favoritize the message as well. You can mark it as unread if you wanted to, and you can open it on the phone and look at it more. And here you can reply to all. On the notification version you can reply using the predefined messages and all that, but at least here it's a bit cleaner to look at. Whereas when you get a Gmail notification, it's not really clear to read. Everything seems to be jumbled up, whereas this one is all really nicely laid out, as you can see. So you can go to the bottom of your email. At least it's easier to read now. Let's just go as a long message. Yeah, and then I can go to reply. And you've got the keyboard. You've got the other regular options as well, which you can do via voice or via emoji, or you can scribble your message or write your message. But that's the Gmail app, and I think it's really good. I'm quite impressed by the way it looks on the watch. It's on the Play Store now, so it should be available on all the watches now. I don't know if it's only just Wear OS 4 watches, which this one is. We have a Watch 5, so we may test it on the Watch 5, which is not on the Wear OS 4, and see if it's downloadable. But otherwise, yeah, Audible is another really good app. I have got it downloaded here. I haven't used it. I haven't really signed into it, but I do have an account. But yeah, it's really good to have this. It's been on Apple's watches for ages, and I've always wanted this on Android, so it's great that it's finally here. It's got a far better selection of audio content to listen to. Great books. I haven't seen any new calendar app, although I have the Samsung one. I haven't seen the Gmail calendar, Google Calendar yet on this for some reason. So another thing I noticed, this recent update bought, this is a software update. It included a tile now. So the tile basically is for this app, which is a temperature checking app. So you now have two options here. You can check temperature, and it's got option of living and water. So you've got things like heat, how hot is the water, or your toast or whatever is showing here, and how cold is the water, and you can do all that, swimming pool water and stuff like that, or how cold is the water in the sea. So we'll do another video to demonstrate how that one works, but I have a tile for this. So I noticed the tile. So the tile is here, as you can see. So you can go via your tile and you can directly have something here. and you can start measuring. So one thing I haven't checked, let me quickly check, is there a tile for Gmail? No, because let me just get rid of one because I don't have any space, so get rid of this one. I haven't noticed any other new tiles, so there is a Gmail tile here, so that's great. I'm going to quickly try this one. So I've added the Gmail tile. Now let's quickly have a look. Yeah, so it just directly goes into your inbox, and it shows two items, and then you can, anything new, you get notifications with one new, and if I tap on it, I guess it'll show up. So yeah, so there is a tile. Also in the Gmail email as well, you've got your, I showed this before, but I can tap here and I can add a different account. I can switch to another account. It says new account, so you have to add another account. And if I try to add one, it says this will affect your tiles, complications and notifications. Yeah, so you can add I guess if you have
got multiple accounts.
Yeah, if you got multiple accounts, you can have them showing. I haven't tried. I do have other accounts on my Gmail, but I haven't set them up for the watch. But yeah, so there is a tile for this as well, which is good. And then also in terms of the battery as well, the battery since the update seems to have really improved. I noticed now I'm getting close to 2 days of battery life with always on display, and at least close to nearly 3 days if I didn't use the always on display as much. So that seems better than what it was before, but I think I need to do a bit more testing.
So do you charge this now? Because it's 100%.
Yeah, it just come off the charge now.
It's a good check.
So yeah,
Today,
I'm going to leave it on the always on display now, as I'm going to go work. But yeah, it seems to have improved, really stable now. The watch slightly performs better as well. I think I've noticed it's not so laggy as it was before. So I think the update has maybe done something. It seems a bit more smooth to operate, whereas previously it would lag quite a lot. So let's see. But it's the first update we've got since the watch was released in August. So yeah, it's about time. But it's definitely improving the watch. We just received Wear OS 4 update on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as well. So, but this just an update to improve performance, I guess. So yeah, that's that.
Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.